Welcome back to the channel CR New Model, and today, we're diving into what could be the ultimate comeback, the 2026 Ferrari F40. Let's take a look at how the prancing horse might reimagine this 80s legend for a new generation. The original F40 was raw, angular, and unapologetically aggressive, a wedge of carbon fury born to dominate the road and track. Fast forward to 2026, and the new F40 keeps the essence but brings the future. You still get those sharp lines, that low-slung nose, and yes, the iconic rear wing makes a dramatic return. Ferrari blends carbon fiber and active aerodynamics into a body that looks like it was sliced by the wind itself. Laser-thin headlights, deeper air intakes, and a new active diffuser give it presence, not just on the road, but in the rear-view mirror of anything brave enough to try and pass it. Step inside, and you're greeted by the same philosophy that made the original F40 a purist's dream: minimalism. No oversized screens. No flashy mood lighting. Just carbon, Alcantara, and the smell of speed. However, Ferrari didn't completely ignore modernity. A heads-up display gives you vital track data, and a retractable screen appears when you need it, and vanishes when you don't. The bucket seats. Sculpted like racing shells, they hug you tighter than gravity in a corner. Every button, every dial, every stitch built around one goal: driving. Now, here's where Ferrari really makes a statement. Gone is the twin-turbo V8 of the 1987 icon, replaced by a next-gen plug-in hybrid powertrain. At the heart of it, a twin-turbo V6 derived from Ferrari's Le Mans hypercar, paired with dual electric motors for torque fill and instant response. Combined output: a staggering 950 horsepower. 0 to 60. Just under 2.4 seconds. Top speed: over 220 miles per hour. And yet, with Ferrari's race-tuned hybrid system, it can even cruise silently through the city, before roaring to life on command. It's not just fast, it's furious with purpose. The 2026 Ferrari F40 isn't just a car, it's a tribute. A salute to Enzo Ferrari's vision, reborn with tomorrow's technology. Raw power. Real emotion. Modern engineering with an old soul. Would you take the wheel? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more dream machines and futuristic legends. Until next time, keep your foot down, and your eyes on the future.